staring at these photos, crying my eyes out for you. Then I think in the back of my head.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be playing in the new, where is it? Tarte Sculpt Tape. So this was just released. So we're gonna see if this is gonna be what Charlotte Tilbury should have been doing from the start. So yeah, I'm also gonna be using the Makeup by Mario foundation again because I wanna do a wear test with that. So if you would like to see the wear test, that's gonna be on my Instagram. So yeah, if you would like to see what look we create and how this sculpt tape works, then make sure you keep on watching. So brows are already on. We're gonna go ahead and move into the primer. So for primer, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. And I'm just going to pump a little bit on my hand and then spread it evenly all over my face. All right, so foundation, we're going to be using the Makeup by Mario again. I'm going to do the 24N and just kind of slightly do like a half a pump of the 25W. This 24N is my perfect shade, like exact to the T. However, I just kind of loved how I did it last time when I included the 25W just to kind of warm my skin up just a little bit. But I didn't need to do it, I wanted to do it. So let's go ahead and apply this. Alright, so this is the foundation on. I do want to make note that I have been watching a few reviews on the Makeup by Mario, and it is not a matte finish foundation. Now, you can alter the finish of the foundation depending on how you prep your skin, how you prime your skin, that all matters. So even though you see somebody using a hydrating primer does not mean it's going to keep the luminosity of a skin. You can still have a hydrating, silkening primer, but it is still mattifying. So just beware of that because this is a luminous finish foundation, and it is not medium coverage. I mean full coverage. You can get it to full coverage. However, that also depends on how you are applying it, what brush you're using. All that stuff matters. So when you're watching these reviews, please make sure you take that into consideration as to why the product is looking matte when you're applying it, because the primer makes a difference and how you prep your skin makes a difference into the finish of a foundation. So if the product claims that it is luminous and you're putting a mattifying primer underneath it, it's gonna pull it more matte. So just keep that in mind because I've been seeing that. Also, if you're using a dense brush, like something that's super dense, the product is gonna go on more full coverage. So when you're watching these reviews on foundations, please take note as to what products they're using, what primers they're using, the tools that they're using to achieve a certain look. So that's why I was able to create a soft, even look with the brush, because it is nice and airy, it's not dense, it has like pockets, and then the sponge as well. The sponge is a lighter application and it's gonna give you a more natural look. So just keep that into mind when you're watching these videos, because that's what I've been seeing and it's giving a false narrative to this foundation. And I'm not like a Makeup Mario like super supporter, but I do want to give the foundation a fair chance. So anyways, with that being said, let's move on to concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in Deep and then the Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy in 47S. I'm just going to mix the two. Mama really do have to go, so this video is about to be on the fly. All right, so we're gonna move on to the star of the show. This is the Tarte Sculpt Tape. They released this little contour wand stick to dupe out the Charlotte Tilbury. So we're gonna be using this to see how it works, to see if they are taking over the game. So on, I don't know. Oh, it's on off. So this is what it looks like. Came with this brush. And it has like the little on and off switch, so you want to make sure that your arrow is turned to on and then squeeze. I like that because that Charlotte Tilbury one was messy. And here it goes. Oh, I probably could have went deeper. Okay, let's see. Oh, I mean, let's see. I feel like I probably could have went a little deeper. And that's just my fault, but it's cool. Okay. Oh, let me turn it off. It doesn't even feel like there's a lot of product in here. Not gonna lie. All right, so I'm gonna use the brush that it came with. I'm gonna use the brush that it came with and kind of just fluff it out. And press it in. Okay. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. I actually love how it blended out. It is a very pretty color. I feel like I definitely could have went deeper for contouring purposes. I feel like it's just a little on the warmer side. So this color would be great for like bronzing my skin up. But for contouring, I want something that's a little bit deeper, a little bit cooler. So, but it is very pretty. It still gives slight definition. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Ben Nye Luxury Powder, and this is in Banana. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish. I'm setting it with this one again because this is a natural finish foundation. So this natural finish powder is gonna support the foundation. Meaning it's not gonna take away from its luminosity, it's just going to set it. Okay. Okay, I'm not mad at it. All right, so I am going to slightly, I don't want to say contour, but soft contour sculpt. And I'm going to use the Jacyln Hill Bare Babe Pressed Bronzer and just slightly contour my face. Warm it up and slightly contour. Okay, I'm also going to dust a little bit of the bronzer on my eyes because I really don't want to do like a bronzer or eyeshadow look. I just kind of want to focus on the foundation and the skin. So just dust this on my eyelid. Keep it very simple, especially since I'm going to work. I don't want to do too much and I don't got time to do too much. So we ain't gonna do too much. Perfect. A little bit more. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes and ruffle. So moving on to blush, I'm gonna be using the Dior, I think this is the Peach Glow, the Coral Glow Backstage blush. I'm just pressing it. I love these little blushes. They're so gorgeous. So pretty, and they work with a variety of different skin tones. Like, you looking at this, you would think that it doesn't, but girl, trust me, it does. It's so pretty. It's just like that effortless glow. So pretty. Okay. I need to order my coffee. Let me do that really quick. That way I can just be in and out and go. Because I'm so happy Starbucks is right around the corner now. I could DoorDash it now. It's just, you know, right there. Water. I probably need to go there because they be charging me extra on here. When I go there, it don't be that much. So let me hurry up so I can stop. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna go in with my, what is this? Rare Beauty Lip Liner in Strong. Take some of my lip stuff off.
Trust me, I don't want you back. It's just the things we had. Yeah, I miss it. The loving, the texting, the kisses, the cuddling. But it's time that I move on. Move on. I know I'm not perfect, but the blame falls on you. Was it really worth it? All the pain.
Top it off with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Stone. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set with my Charlotte Tilbury. And top it off with my One Size. Alright guys, so that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So let's go ahead and talk about the product that we were here for, which is the Tarte Sculpt Tape. Now I love how it blends it out. It's super pretty, it's super natural. I need to go back and get a deeper shade because this one is a little bit too warm for me. However, it is still very, 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 very pretty, and I'm gonna keep it. I feel like it's worth it, and I feel like Charlotte Tilbury definitely should have been on to this a long time ago. So I'm happy that somebody picked up where they dropped the ball. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that post notification bell so you stay up to date every time I upload and you don't miss an upload. And yeah, until next time, bye guys.
I'm staring at these photos.